This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 251RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, skylight, Slideout, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.